Santa.
Here's another one. Do you want to do this one after you're done with that one? We're having fun.
Are you?
I'm going to open your present.
No, let her do it though. That one's from Santa to Ellie.
Love that.
Love it.
Choo-choo train.
Is that a choo-choo train?
No, me and Ellie won't fight about her choo-choo. Here, Ellie. No.
No, look at you got another present, Ellie. Look.
This one. Ellie, this one's yours. Santa brought you. Santa brought you that one.
No, Mom. This one's yours too, honey. Up. This one's yours. Up. Ellie got choo-choo train
Picture
too.
of you and your Slippy. Better pick it. Better open up to see what Santa got you.
Where's mine?
You just opened it right here.
Can I open it?
Hold on. Let's see what Ellie got.
But I was hoping one again.
You got stockings to open still too.
What?
Why don't you get Mommy her present? So,
Where's the
on the tree, look.
Whatever.
I found it!
What is it?
I found it, Mimi.
Yeah.
It's
Can you reach it?
Love.
love. Hey, Mom, this is your name.
What does it say?
I don't know.
Babe.
Ellie, it's a dinosaur, on that movie.
Yeah. Dinosaur train.
Dinosaur train.
Love it.
Open
Oh
it.
my.
Open it. Ah. Ooh.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
See?
Cut and what? Cut and what? Highlight? Oh,
Color.
you just know what I like.
Dinosaur train.
Love, you weren't supposed to give me anything though.
Mm-hmm.
Open, Dodo. Dodo.
What is that, Ellie?
Open it, Ellie. Choo-choo
What's Santa
train.
bring you?
Another choo-choo? With dinosaurs.
Like somebody must like choo-choo trains.
Now you guys have lots of choo-choos to play with.
Open.
Open.
Mom,
What?
where's my card?
Huh?
Do I have a card?
You got presents and Mommy got a...
Doobie, quit being such a loser.
You know what I get to do? I get to get a haircut.
Doobie.
You got me a card to get a haircut.
Doobie.
Now Mommy's hair can be pretty again.
Get out of here, Doobie.
Oh, I got to take a picture of that.